ChatGPT recently released a feature that doesn't get a lot of attention, but if you are like me, this is a lifesaver. And what is that feature? This is projects. Within ChatGPT now, you can create projects to organize your ideas, to organize your folders. In essence, that's what it is. Give some structure to the work you do. To me, it's a game changer. For the longest time, I found myself having to create custom GPTs for no reason. Just the only fact is I want a repeatable area to segment the work I do. Over time, a custom GPT was a bandit solution. The alternative to that would be to keep track of my history of chat and remember which chat was relevant for what context and simply to open up that chat. I think project simply changes the game. If you like me, I work in different areas. We do have a DemoHub pod, which is the AI version of DemoHub. We have the data analytics and AI conferences event site, which is specific to that. So I'm chatting in there to build that application and to get the relevant context. Having the chat scattered all over my history was just a pain. And the alternative to that is to create a custom GPT, but I don't always want a custom GPT for every task. So projects to me is a game changer, and I'm really glad the folks at OpenAI are responding to this. How do you get that? Simply click on create project, give it a name. Here, let's say we have DemoHub.dev for the channel. Now I have a custom folder essentially here ready to go. You can select the model you want in this folder. 4.0 is very common. If there are custom files, you can add those. If you want a custom instruction, you can say always write in Python, which is my go-to language. Now you have this environment ready, easily accessible for you to come in and chat. After doing the videos here, typically I'll get the title, the description, the SEO. It's a consistent way of doing it. And now I can dial this into my tone for DemoHub content and videos in a centralized location. This just makes life, I call this a quality of life type of feature. It just makes life so easy. I'm very surprised it did not get this to us a long time ago. If there are sample files or custom chats that you want in here, simply add those files. Give me a video as an example. If I chat with this, and this is an interesting chat, I'm going to get a video idea here. If I like this, I can stop this and let's switch over now to DemoHub pod. I might be talking about what is an LLM and I will get the answer. If I stop this, go back to my DemoHub.dev, I can go to my chats, which are all relevant or consistent with what was there before. And this is a far cry of being able to just look at the dates and try to go back to chats from 2 months ago or 3 months ago, and it's just way down in the chat history. It was a pain, and I thought I would make a quick demo about this because I can't believe that it took this long for OpenAI to finally get us projects, but it's better late than never. Now you can come into previous chats. So here I was chatting about the OpenAI canvas. I can take this chat and add that to the DemoHub projects. So now you have a project, you can go to specific chats within that. It's just a superior way of organizing things, and I'm glad they are responding to this. So let's go to DemoHub pod, and here again, as before, you can chat with Canvas, you can bring in custom files, but that organizational ability to me is a game changer, and I'm glad that this is finally here. Hopefully you take this and include this as part of your workflow. As always, this is through here with DemoHub. We highlight tools in the modern data and AI stack to help you be more productive, save time, and elevate your overall competencies. If you like what you see, please share this with somebody that might get value out of this. Thank you for watching and sticking to the end. I'll see you in the next demo.